Little meat lover.
I want more that.
Oh, what?
More that. I want more that.
More of that?
Yeah.
Okay. Daddy, get you some. Wait. Okay, mommy, give her some.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's just a normal little cut. No big deal sort of shot.
Mmm. Gracie, do you like ribs? How much?
That's a big one.
How much?
Big one.
Yeah, is it yummy ribs? Daddy do a good job cooking them? You're gonna choke yourself there, Grace.
Was that here? Up, left, not moving an inch.
You like the ribs yummy? Yeah. Daddy do a good job cooking? That's good. Yummy? Are you starving? Hungry?
Mmm.
Where Tiger ended up. And speaking of that group,